Welcome to our recap of Adobe MAx 2024. Today, we're highlighting our 4 favorite sneaks: ProjectPerfectBlend, ProjectHiFi, ProjectRemixALot, and ProjectCleanMachine. These innovations could significantly impact content creation, so let's dive in and see what they offer. First up, ProjectCleanMachine. This tool removes unwanted visual intrusions from photos and videos. Whether it's flashes ruining a time-lapse or overexposure at a concert, CleanMachine detects and removes distractions, maintaining your footage's integrity. At Adobe MAx, they showcased a Milky Way time-lapse ruined by random flashes. CleanMachine seamlessly removed them, saving hours of manual editing. This is a game-changer for live event videography and vloggers, making editing far more efficient. Next, we have ProjectRemixALot. This tool transforms simple sketches into fully realized editable graphics. With just a prompt, you can turn a rough concept into a professional poster or adapt it for social media. For example, if a client provides a vague request, you can ask them to sketch their idea, and RemixALot will create a polished asset in minutes. While currently focused on static graphics, the potential for expanding into video overlays and title cards is clear. ProjectHiFi is perfect for storyboarding and pre-visualization. It turns screen captures or rough sketches into detailed visuals, preserving layout and dimensions. Ideal for planning scenes and visualizing complex shots. Adobe showcased how basic drawings could be transformed into high-quality images, ready for further refinement in Photoshop. This tool significantly enhances pre-production, allowing creators to visualize scenes quickly, improving communication during production. Hi-Fi also shows promise for creating virtual backgrounds and environments, elevating production quality. Lastly, ProjectPerfectBlend takes compositing to the next level by seamlessly integrating people or objects into existing images. It automatically adjusts lighting, color, and shadows, ensuring new elements blend naturally with the background. This tool saves significant time in post-production, especially for visual effects where different footage needs to be blended together. During Adobe MAx, they demonstrated how multiple images from different sources were combined seamlessly without manual editing. PerfectBlend makes compositing more accessible and efficient. These 4 sneaks from Adobe MAx 2024 have the potential to transform the creative process. Whether you're looking to cut down on editing time, improve pre-production, or enhance compositing, these projects offer innovative solutions for content creators. Which of these sneaks excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on creative technology. See you in the next video.